Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Caravan headrest. Most headrests, whether in the front or rear, use a two-point release system. You'll typically find one obvious button on a post. The trickier part is locating the second, often hidden, release tab on the other post. A small, thin tool like a pick or even a paper clip will be essential to press this hidden mechanism and free the headrest. For front headrests, begin by pressing both the visible button and the hidden tab at the same time. While holding them, gently pull the headrest upward. Some front headrests are active safety restraints and may have an electrical wire. If so, you will need to disconnect this wire, often found by accessing the seat back panel. Tilting the seat back can provide crucial room for removal. Rear headrests in your Dodge Caravan often follow a similar two-button release method as the front seats. Press the visible button and use a tool for the hidden tab, then lift. For certain stow and go rear seats, especially in the third row, you might need to fold the seat forward and access fasteners like 13mm nuts or Phillips screws to fully remove the headrest assembly or its cover. Always check for any cables before pulling. To reinstall any headrest, simply align its posts with the guide sleeves in the seat back. Push down firmly until you hear and feel it click securely into its locked position. Always ensure the headrest is properly seated and cannot be easily pulled out without pressing the release buttons, as this is crucial for passenger safety. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.